2026 6x6 Campaign Motorhome, a bold vision of adventure without limits. Built for explorers who want luxury, toughness, and self-sufficiency in one unstoppable machine, this 6x6 motorhome redefines what it means to travel off the grid in style. Whether it's desert dunes, snowy passes, or long highway stretches, this beast is designed to dominate every mile. Performance? At the heart of the 2026 6x6 Campaign Motorhome is a powerful, torque-focused drivetrain paired with an advanced 6x6 all-wheel traction system. This setup delivers exceptional grip, stability, and confidence on extreme terrain. Multiple drive modes adapt to sand, mud, snow, and rock, while the reinforced suspension ensures a smooth, controlled ride even when fully loaded for long expeditions. Exterior design. The exterior design is aggressive, futuristic, and purpose-built. A high-clearance stance, muscular body lines, and oversized off-road tires give it a commanding presence. Integrated LED lighting, roof-mounted utility racks, solar panels, and rugged skid protection highlight its expedition-ready nature. Every detail isn't just for looks. It's engineered for survival and style in the wild. Interior design. Step inside and the story changes from rugged to refined. The cabin blends premium comfort with smart functionality, featuring high-quality materials, modular living space, and intelligent storage solutions. A modern digital cockpit, ambient lighting, and climate-controlled living quarters make long journeys relaxing. From a fully equipped kitchenette to a comfortable sleeping area, this motorhome feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. Fuel efficiency. Despite its massive size and 6x6 capability, the 2026 Campaign Motorhome is engineered with efficiency in mind. Advanced engine management, aerodynamic refinements, and hybrid-ready support systems help optimize fuel consumption. Solar assistance and energy-saving onboard systems further reduce dependency on fuel during extended off-grid adventures. Otro, the 2026 6x6 Campaign Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. A statement that adventure doesn't require sacrifice, and luxury doesn't need boundaries. For travelers who want to go farther, stay longer, and explore deeper, this motorhome sets a whole new benchmark for the future of expedition travel.